Good morning, children. How are you all? Now your PT1 is over. Now we are starting PT2. All of you must have done very well in the exam PT1. Those who did not do well, they will do in this term also. Okay, children. First we will start now lesson 4, the Magnificent Mary. You might have heard, everyone might have heard about this Mary Kom. Mary Kom, GK में you have learned about this. Who is Mary Kom? Is a great boxer. Okay, MC Mary Kom. MC is a full form of Mante Changni Jung. Spelling is Mangte, but you would pronounce as Mante Changni Jung. Okay, Mary Kom is a woman that India will always be proud of. India is proud of that women. Why so? She has been placed at the number 1 position in the International Boxing Association ranking. Okay, IBAR is a full form of IBAR is International Boxing Association ranking. She has proved that women can do everything if she is determined. If woman is determined, she has willpower to do anything, she can prove everything. No one could dissuade. So let's see what is the meaning of dissuade. No one could go against her because she was determined. Okay, that she would prove herself something special. She has made India proud with her glorious feats. Glorious feats means very fantastic deeds. Okay, work. What she had done, the work, but it was fantastic. Mary was born. Where Mary was born in? This is Kingthai. Okay, Manipur, India on 1st March. Okay, her parents Mante Topa Kom and Mante Akham Kom, both father and this is mother, were poor Indian farmer. They were very poor Indian landless farmer. Landless means they had no land. She was named Mante Changni Jung at birth. When she was born, she was named at this Mante, but in her language it means prosperous. Okay, prosperous, very happy and very healthy and wealthy. She chose the name Mary. Why did she choose the name Mary? Because it was easier to pronounce for her professional career where she was working. She thought that it would be easier for everyone to pronounce. Okay, now next page. Children, Mary was the eldest of 3 children. They had 3 brothers and sisters, 2 sisters and 1 brother. And she was, while growing up, she was charged with the responsibility. Charged means she was given the responsibility, being the eldest one, of taking care of all the younger brother and sister. Okay, and then they walk to school. The walk to their part, you can correct it here. They walk to school. Okay, this is wrong given here. They walk to school. In itself was an arduous exercise. It was very difficult to walk for school for 1 hour. They had to walk to school for an hour one way. And one way means when they go and when they come back, it means it would take 2 hours. Okay, though the other family were as impoverished. Impoverished means they were very poor. As they were very poor. In those family, children had the privilege to laze around. Privilege means they had some special rights to laze around. They were very lazy. But in Mary's family, their father had trained the children to work from a young age. Their father was like that. He did not want that his parents should be like those children, those who all the time walk and roam and lazy. He wanted to make the children very busy, hardworking. So Mary was adept means she was very much skilled at doing many things. At even the boys struggled with. The boy used to struggle. She had to struggle like the boys. Mary even helped with plowing the fields. She helped her father in plowing. A task. Okay, and this task was very, very heavy task. Okay, and because it would require immense strength. Immense means lot of strength, because the bullocks were not easy to control. Because that time people used to think that only men can control this bullock cart. And while she was at it, the men folk means the people on the men group. Men means men would stand and gape. Gape means they were very surprised to see how this Mary Kom is controlling the bullocks. It was not a common practice to see a petite girl. Petite means very hard working, a small girl. Petite means very small girl. She was driving this animal. They were very surprised to see this. Even as a student, she displayed a keen interest. She was very much interested in athletics and in participated sports like football. But she didn't, do you know, children, she was not trained, she was not even know about the boxing. Okay, she was used to play football. Funnily means she was very amazingly, funnily means amusingly, though she never took part in boxing. She never ever took part in boxing. It was the success of Dinko Singh. Dinko Singh, a Manipur boxer, in winning a gold medal at the Asian Games. He inspired Mary Kom to take up boxing. Till then, she had never boxed before. Okay, once she got a chance to how to display this boxing, she was inspired by this Dinko Singh. When Mary Kom told her parents of her decision, when she went to tell her decision about the boxing, that she wanted to play boxing, they were not happy. Parents were not happy. Mary's father was convinced. He was little much convinced that it was his lack of education that was at a partly blamed for his lot. That he realized that he was not educated, that his education, because he was not educated, that he was thinking that being not illiterate person, that this effect would not go to my children. So he insisted that the girl study up. Then he decided that instead means he convinced that forced her children that to study up to matriculation. Matriculation means up to 10th class at least, to have a better life than they were living. Because he was illiterate, he was not educated, so he did not want that his children should go like this. Okay. Then her parents were also of the opinion that boxing as a sport was not suitable. They were thinking that it was not a suitable job, this game for the girls. But Mary was not someone to be discouraged. She didn't want to be discouraged. Even she left her hometown where she was living, Imphal, Manipur. Your hometown is Jalandhar, to study at the Sports Academy in the state capital, Imphal. Manipur capital is Imphal. She left her hometown. The way Mary diligently trained as admirable. Okay, and she was trained as admirable. When the way she was trained, people admire her, praised her. She would often practice till late. Okay, when other children, they would leave, but she used to practice. Other had left. She used to keep on practice. Okay, it was the dedication that helped her to become an incredible boxer. Due to her dedication, willingness, I can do it, I will do it, and that helped her to become an incredible boxer. And due to this, with the help of this, her dedication, she became an unbelievable boxer. Okay, now today she has achieved much in boxing. She is the only woman to be a 6-time world amateur boxing champion. Amateur boxing means not for professional. She continued champion for she had been a continued champion for 6 times. Okay, she is also the only female boxer to have won a medal in each time of the 7 world championships. There were 7 world championships, and each time, in every 7 world championship, every time she won a gold medal. Won a medal. Okay, and one of the best moment of her career came in 2000 at the Olympic Games held in London. First time she appeared for the Olympic game held in London. Okay, next, children, we will continue tomorrow. Read this all the chapter, all the 2 pages. You would come to know the question. I would give the question. You would be able to do the answer. Okay, next we will continue tomorrow. Okay, bye bache, bye.